Hello friends, let's test our skills with a, and the. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. A हम हमेशा सिंगुलर पर्सन और सिंगुलर थिंग के साथ यूज करेंगे. एन हम हमेशा वॉवल्स के साथ यूज करेंगे और द हम हमेशा स्पेसिफिक पर्सन और नाउन के साथ यूज करेंगे. सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. Sohan was dash honest boy. Answer is an. Sohan was an honest boy. Mohan is not dash European boy. Answer is A. Mohan is not a European boy. John was dash English boy. Answer is A. John was a English boy. There was dash university. Answer is A. There was a university. There is dash elephant. Answer is an. There is an elephant. There was dash hotel. Answer is A. There was a hotel. Ganga is dash sacred river. Answer is A. Ganga is a sacred river. He brought dash umbrella. Answer is an. He brought an umbrella. Dash Bible is dash holy book. Answer is the Bible is a holy book. Dash boy is sitting at dash door. Answer is the boy is sitting at a door.